Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for a blockchain account using a mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To sign up and create a new account for blockchain, first make sure that you've downloaded blockchain application on your mobile devices. If you've not done that yet, go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for blockchain in the search box and get the application downloaded right away. Once you have the app, give it a tap to open and you'll be able to see this first interface where you can create an account, restore your wallet, or log into an existing account. In today's video, since we are signing up, let's tap on Create an Account button. To create your account, you'll need your name, a valid email address, your date of birth, and your home address. Simply go to the first box where it says email and type in a valid email address that you have an access to. Once you type in an email for yourself, head over to the password box and create a new password for your account. Create a password that is easier for you to remember while logging into your blockchain wallet from now on. Once you create a password, select your country of residence from the drop-down beneath and click on I understand box beneath. Now tap on Get Started. Create your mobile PIN by typing with the help of the keypad. Confirm your PIN by retyping it again. Now, on the next page, you'll need to verify your email address that you just signed up with. Click on Check My Inbox and you should receive an email from blockchain.com. Tap open the email and click on Yes, I confirm this is my email address. Once your email address is verified, go back to the blockchain app, enter your PIN that you just created, and that way you'll be able to create a new account for blockchain. You can now complete your profile, fill in your personal information in order to unlock your limited access for blockchain. That's how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.